Oh, I have some exciting stuff for you today. Welcome to day 8 of building magicwallpaper.io, the best way to break free from Apple's limited options and customize your desktop your way. So what we've got going on here is a complete redesign for the user interface, the GUI, or what have you. So we have this much prettier experience here. And as you can see, we've got a preview of the wallpaper. So I have a bunch of wallpapers that I've downloaded and added to my personal library, and I can double click on one. That's going to set it as my moving wallpaper. And let me see here. But yeah, it is. I guess it's supposed to snow tomorrow, which I'm not excited about. So here we are. One of the features I haven't shown you is this wallpaper right here, this MP4, actually doesn't fit my screen. And I've got it set to fill screen, the original size. So this is the original size, and as you can see here, it's actually a vertical wallpaper, and I have the app set to go ahead and set your background color to whatever is the primary color that's in the wallpaper there. But yeah, lots of goodies today. Have been just really working hard on making this look flawless, and it's not there yet. But I'm very happy with where it's going and hope to have this in your hands soon. Thanks for being here. Like the video. Comment down below if you feel like this is something you would use. Let's connect. I would love to have you be a beta tester. Go to the website, magicwallpaper.io. Click on download. Fill in your username or fill in your name and your email address. That way you can be one of the first people to give it a try. See you guys tomorrow.